Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract opportunities effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The secret isn't luck, it's personality. Today, we're going to solve a problem most people don't even realize they have: how our habits, mindset, and behavior quietly shape our success, relationships, and happiness. By the end of this video, you'll discover practical ways to upgrade your personality so your life transforms naturally. Your personality isn't just about what people see on the outside, it starts deep within. Emotional awareness is the ability to notice and understand your feelings and also recognize how those feelings affect your actions. Many of us go through life reacting to situations without thinking. A rude comment, a setback, or even traffic can trigger frustration or anger. And those reactions, repeated daily, silently shape how others perceive us. Imagine two people facing the same problem at work. One loses their temper, blames others, or withdraws silently. The other takes a breath, acknowledges their frustration, and responds calmly. Guess who is remembered as someone reliable, someone people want to work with? The truth is, emotional awareness isn't about suppressing feelings. It's about understanding them. When you recognize your triggers, you gain control over your responses instead of letting your impulses dictate your interactions. Developing this skill begins with simple habits. Journaling your emotions for 5-10 minutes a day can reveal patterns you weren't approved, wave patterns you weren't aware of. Asking yourself questions like, why did I feel this way, or could I have responded differently, creates space for growth. Over time, you'll notice a shift. Your interactions become smoother, conflicts are resolved faster, and people feel safer around you. This is the essence of personality transformation. Another powerful technique is mindful observation. Before reacting, pause and take a moment to observe your feelings. It's not about overthinking. It's about creating a small gap between stimulus and response. That gap gives you the power to choose a reaction aligned with the person you want to be. And here's the subtle magic. As you practice this consistently, your life begins to reflect this calm, measured, emotionally aware version of you. Doors open in your personal life, opportunities arise in your professional world, and even your self respect grows because you are no longer at the mercy of uncontrolled emotions. Emotional awareness also improves empathy, which is another cornerstone of a magnetic personality. When you understand your own feelings, you become better at understanding others. You notice nuances in tone, body language, and context that others often miss. This skill allows you to connect on a deeper level, build trust faster, and influence people positively. Emotional awareness, in essence, is the foundation of all personality upgrades. It silently strengthens relationships, reduces conflicts, and gradually transforms your social and professional life. By committing to small daily practices that enhance emotional understanding, you are taking the first step toward a life where challenges are navigated with grace, opportunities are seized with confidence, and interactions leave a positive impact. Emotional awareness is not a quick fix, it's a lifelong habit, but once developed, impact. But once developed, it rewires your personality in a way that naturally attracts success and fulfillment. Personality is not fixed, it evolves with your thoughts, choices, and habits. One of the most powerful shifts you can make is developing a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and even your personality can be improved through effort and learning. Many people live in a fixed mindset without realizing it. They think, I'm just not good with people, or I'm not naturally confident, and then spend years trapped in self imposed limitations. A growth mindset transforms this perspective. Instead of seeing failures as evidence of inadequacy, you start seeing them as feedback, clues that guide your improvement. Imagine learning a new skill or trying to connect with someone you admire. A fixed mindset would have you hesitate, fearing judgment or failure. A growth mindset makes you curious. What can I learn from this experience? How can I improve? The difference may seem subtle, but it changes everything about how you approach life. Developing a growth mindset requires two practices: reflection and action. Reflection means honestly examining your habits and behaviors. Ask yourself questions like, where did I resist learning? Or what could I have done differently? These questions are not for self criticism, they are for self awareness. Once you identify areas for improvement, the second step is action. Even small, consistent steps, reading a book, seeking feedback, practicing a social skill, compound over time to create remarkable personality growth. One essential aspect of a growth mindset is embracing challenges. Embracing challenges. Challenges are not obstacles, they're opportunities to stretch beyond your comfort zone. Every time you face a difficult conversation, a demanding task, or a situation that makes you nervous, your personality has a chance to expand. With each success, your confidence grows. With each setback, your resilience strengthens. Both together create a personality that is magnetic, inspiring, and adaptable. Another key element is learning from others. People with growth mindsets see every interaction as a learning opportunity. They notice how someone handles stress. They notice how someone handles stress, communicates ideas, or resolves conflict. They absorb lessons silently, and apply them to their own behavior. This doesn't mean copying someone else. It means observing, reflecting, and integrating what aligns with your authentic self. Over time, your personality becomes richer, more nuanced, and more attractive because it is constantly evolving. A growth mindset also reshapes how others perceive you. People are naturally drawn to those who are curious, adaptable, and willing to learn. When you embrace growth, you inspire confidence. Colleagues, friends, and even strangers feel your energy and are drawn to your presence. Your relationships deepen, your opportunities multiply, and your life begins to transform in ways that a fixed mindset could never allow. Finally, adopting a growth mindset creates a ripple effect on your own happiness and self respect. You stop comparing yourself to others because your focus shifts to your own journey of improvement. You celebrate progress instead of perfection. And in doing so, your personality radiates authenticity, curiosity, and resilience, qualities that make life not just more successful, but profoundly fulfilling. Personality shines brightest in the way we communicate. No matter talented or capable you are, if you struggle to express yourself clearly, your ideas, intentions, and even your character can get lost. Mastering communication isn't just about speaking well, it's about connecting, influencing, and leaving a lasting impression. Most people underestimate how much their life is shaped by the words they use, the tone they carry, and the way they listen. The first step in mastering communication is active listening. True listening goes beyond hearing words. It involves understanding emotions, reading subtle cues, and giving your full attention. When someone speaks and you genuinely listen, something powerful happens. They feel valued. This builds trust, strengthens relationships, and makes your presence unforgettable. Imagine two colleagues presenting unpredictable. Imagine two colleagues presenting ideas in a meeting. One interrupts talks over others or only focuses on their own point. The other listens attentively, asks thoughtful questions, and responds in alignment with the conversation. Who do you think leaves a stronger impression? Who will people naturally want to collaborate with next time? The answer is clear. Equally important is the ability to express yourself clearly and confidently. Communication is not just about the words, it's also about the words. It's also about how you deliver them. Your tone, body language, and timing convey more than your sentences ever could. A calm, steady voice communicates control and credibility. Open body language signals approachability, and thoughtful pauses allow your message to resonate. People are naturally drawn to those who speak with confidence, not arrogance, and who convey authenticity rather than rehearsed perfection. Another layer of effective communication is emotional intelligence in conversation, being able to sense the mood of a room. Adjust your approach and respond with empathy can turn even difficult discussions into opportunities for connections. When you communicate this way, people feel heard and respected, even if they disagree with you. Over time, your ability to navigate conversations with grace becomes a cornerstone of your personality. It sets you apart in both professional and personal circles. Storytelling is another tool that elevates your personality. Humans are wired for stories. When you frame your ideas as experiences or narratives, people remember your message long after the conversation ends. A well told story shows vulnerability, relatability, and insight, all traits that deepen connections. Even in everyday conversations, weaving small anecdotes or reflections makes you more engaging, approachable, and memorable. Finally, practice is key. Communication is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with consistent effort. Start by observing those who communicate exceptionally well. Notice how they structure their thoughts, engage listeners, and balance confidence with humility. Then apply these lessons in your own interactions, experimenting, adjusting, and refining. Over time, your words, your presence, and your listening habits combine to form a personality that others naturally respect and admire. Mastering communication is not about being the loudest in the room. It's about being the person whose presence is felt, whose words matter, and whose relationships flourish. As you consciously enhance your communication skills, you'll notice doors opening that once seemed closed, misunderstandings resolving themselves, and your personal and professional life aligning more harmoniously. Communication, in essence, is the bridge between your inner growth and the transformation of your external world. The final piece of upgrading your personality and truly transforming your life is consistency and integrity. Personality isn't just about charm, intelligence or communication skills. It's about being reliable, trustworthy, and aligned with your values. People may forgive mistakes or occasional missteps, but they rarely forgive mistakes or occasional missteps. Your words, actions, and principles need to reflect the person you want to become every single day. Consistency begins with small, deliberate habits. It could be as simple as showing up on time, following through on promises, or maintaining composure in stressful situations. These seemingly small actions create a ripple effect over time, building trust and respect in your personal and professional relationships. People instinctively gravitate toward those who are dependable because they signal stability and maturity. When your personality is consistent, your life becomes more predictable. I and the best way others know what to expect from you, and opportunities naturally align with someone they can rely on. Integrity is closely tied to consistency. It's about aligning your actions with your words, even when no one is watching. In life, you will face situations where cutting corners, compromising values, or taking the easy path seems tempting. Choosing integrity instead of convenience strengthens your character in ways that people immediately sense, even subconsciously. A person with integrity doesn't need to advertise it, it radiates through behavior, decision making, and the way they treat others. Over time, integrity becomes a magnetic force that draws respect, loyalty, and meaningful connections. Building consistency and integrity also means owning your